It's time to kick the tires and light the fires. We're on the highway to the hunger zone. We're sharing some of our favorite Airventure camping recipes. Today's recipe is our version of the walking taco, the Waco Taco.
Hey everyone, we're doing something a little bit different today. With Oshkosh only a couple months away, I wanted to show you some of my favorite recipes for Oshkosh, or camping with your family, or airplane camping. And in true Oshkosh fashion, there's a storm brewing above us, so hopefully we can get this done before it starts pouring on us.
For this demonstration, I'm going to use my trusty old Weber Performer, but you can use a gas grill or even a fire. Once your coals are nice and hot, put your cast iron skillet on the grate, and then add a little bit of oil. If you're like me and like a little bit extra heat, throw on a couple jalapenos. Once your pan is nice and hot, it's time to add our first ingredient, some chopped onion. You want to let these guys cook in the pan for a little bit until they start to become translucent and gain a little bit of color. Once your onions are cooked through, we want to pull them off the fire and place them in a separate dish. Next, you want to put in your meat option. We opted for ground turkey to keep it a little bit on the healthier side.
Give it a little bit extra seasoning with some adobo.
Once your meat is cooked through, it's time to add some more ingredients.
Add a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Add our onions back in there. You can use taco seasoning or you can use your own seasoning. It's just basically salt, pepper, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, same thing. This will save you a lot of room if you just want to bring it in with your camping stuff or with your food supplies. Just mix that all in together.
The great thing about this recipe is you can even make it ahead of time and just reheat it at your campsite.
Once your jalapenos are kind of blistered, they are ready to go to be chopped up.
Now it's time to grab your fixins and start assembling.
And so no Waco Taco would be complete without a Waco themed cup. So what we want to do is take some corn chips, generous amounts, put it in your cup, and some meat on top. any of your favorite fixins, which got a little bit of cheese, little bit of sour cream or Greek yogurt. Those delicious jalapenos we roasted. And then to add even more hot stuff to it, we'll add a little bit of green salsa. There you have it, your very own Waco Taco. It's pretty legit. If you're out at Airventure and you make a Waco Taco, leave a comment in the comments below and let us know that you like your Waco Taco. From the Flying Stampede, I'm Ed. Caitlin's behind the camera today. If you like our videos, give us your stamp of approval. Hopefully we'll see you at Airventure.
Wait. Okay, good girl.
Nice job.
Oh, that was perfect, and she came in.